And I would propose hazard pay for frontline workers. We all say, boy, they did a great job, the healthcare workers did a great job, the police, the heroes. Yes, they are. But you know what? Thanks is nice, but also recognition of their efforts and their sacrifice is also appropriate. They are the ones that are carrying us through this crisis. And this crisis is not over. And if you look at who they are and the equity and fairness of what has happened, I think any reasonable person would say we should right this wrong. 40% of the frontline workers are people of color. 45% in public transit, 57% of the building workers, 40% of the healthcare workers. People of color are also disproportionately represented in delivery services and child care services, right? The economy closed down. The economy did not close down. It closed down for those people who, frankly, have the luxury of staying at home. All those essential workers who had to get up every morning to put food on the shelves and go to the hospitals to provide health care under extraordinary circumstances, and the police officer who had to go out to keep you safe, and the firefighter who still had to go out and fight the fire. Those people worked, and they went out there and they exposed themselves to the virus. 2/3 of those frontline workers are women. 1/3 come from low-income households. So they've been doing this work, they've been stressed, they're going home to a household, often had 2 wage earners. One of them is now not working. They're living just on that one salary. And after all of that, we see the infection rate among African American and brown Americans higher proportionately than other groups. Why? Because they were out there exposing themselves. That's why. And you can talk about health disparities, et cetera. But I believe all the studies are going to wind up saying, yes, when you were home with your doors locked, dealing with cabin fever, they were out there dealing with the coronavirus. And that's why they are more infected. Pay them what they deserve. I would say hazard pay, give them a 50% bonus, and I would do that now.